Want to communicate effectively and politely? Here's how. Swap do this now with could you handle this when convenient? Change send me the file to could you send the file at your convenience? Instead of blaming, say let's go over this together to fix it. Turn you need to fix this into I appreciate your effort. Let's refine it. Avoid this is wrong. Try this could use adjustments. Let's improve it. Rather than this is incorrect, say this might not align, let's review. Polished communication builds relationships. Try these tips today.